What's Kanban and E-Kanban? Kanban, signboard or billboard in Japanese, is a scheduling system for lean manufacturing and just-in-time manufacturing. It was developed by Toyota to improve manufacturing efficiency. The system takes its name from the cards that track production within a factory. Kanban became an effective tool to support running a production system as a whole, and an excellent way to promote improvement. Problem areas are highlighted by measuring lead time and cycle time of the full process and process steps. One of the main benefits of Kanban is to establish an upper limit to work in process inventory to avoid overcapacity. A Kanban system quickly responds to observed demand, in that it is used as a demand signal that immediately travels through the supply chain. This ensures that intermediate stock held in the supply chain are better managed and are usually smaller. Where the supply response is not quick enough to meet actual demand fluctuations, a stock building may be deemed more appropriate and is achieved by placing more Kanban in the system. The Kanban card is, in effect, a message that signals a depletion of product, parts, or inventory. When received, the Kanban triggers replenishment of that product, part, or inventory. Consumption, therefore, drives demand for more production, and the Kanban card signals demand for more product, so Kanban cards help create a demand-driven system. Electronic Kanban or E-Kanban differs from traditional Kanban in using technology to replace traditional elements like Kanban cards with barcodes and electronic messages. E-Kanban systems can be integrated into ERP systems, enabling real-time demand signaling across the supply chain and improved visibility. Thanks for watching. Let us know in the comments if you have any question about Kanban or E-Kanban, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more ERP-related videos.